Please all participants open our studio and type done within Zoom chat in my side. I have done, so I'm going to type done. In our previous class, we have done work on how to install R and R Studio. What is the difference between R and R Studio and some basic tools of R and R Studio. So in our today class, we will work on next step about R, and we have also created Genomic batch 8 working directory in our previous class. So please all participants make sure genomic batch genomic 8 is visible on your screen number 3. In my side it is visible, so I am going to type here yes. So please all participants confirm. Okay, thank you. Now in our previous class we have studied about these 4 screens, or number of these 4 screens: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Although these 4 screens have specific number, but these have specific names. So here is screen number 1, screen number 1, name, script file. The name of screen number 1 is the script file. The name of screen number 2 is the console. Name of screen number 3 is global environment. Name of screen number 4 is plots, or you can say packages screen. So we have 4 screens. The name of screen number 1 is the script file. The name of screen number 2 console. The name of screen number 3 global environment. And the name of screen number 4 is plot. Now next step is, what is the working of these screens? What is the role of screen number 1? What is the role of screen number 2, 3 and 4? The role of screen number 1 is script writing. We can use screen number 1 for script writing. The role of screen number 2 is give us results. Screen number 3 also give you results. And screen number 4 also give you results. So screen number 1 is the input screen. You can say screen number 1 is input screen. Screen number 2, output screen. Screen number 3, output screen. Screen number 4, also known as output screen. So screen number 1 is the input and other 3 screens are the output screens. Sorry. Okay, please let me know my screen is visible now or showing WhatsApp only. I think showing WhatsApp only. Very sorry. Okay, I am sharing it again. Okay, no clear, please confirm. Okay, I am going to repeat all these steps. We have 4 screens in our R Studio. First is screen number 1, second is screen number 2, third is screen number 3, and fourth is screen number 4. These have specific name. The name of first screen is script file. So the name of this file is script file. The name of second screen is console. So here is console. The name of third screen is global environment. So here is global environment. And name of fourth screen is plots or packages. Screen number 1 is the input screen. We can write script in screen number 1, while screen number 2, 3, and 4 are the output screens. We will write script in screen number 1. It will show us output in screen number 2, 3, and 4. So screen number 1 is the input screen. If the result or output in the form of paragraph will appear in screen number 2. If the output is in the form of data frame, will appear in screen number 3. And if the output is in the form of plots or packages, will appear in screen number 4. The output appear in screen number 2 is in the form of paragraph, text, or tables. Output in the form of data frame will appear in screen number 3, and output in the form of plot will appear in screen number 4. Now I want to show you practically. You don't need to do practice with me. I will give you time for practice. Just understand, then I will give you time. Okay, now I am going to write a script in screen number 1. For example, first script is data. When I type data, it will give me suggestion. I select data, and within data I will type iris and will run. It will show me results in screen number 2. Here is the result, as well as in screen number 3. Name iris, promise. So I get result in 2 screens. So screen number 2 is output screen and screen number 3 is also output screen. In screen number 2, same to same line appeared, but in blue color. When same to same line appear in blue color in screen number 2, it's mean your script successfully working. And its output appeared in screen number 3. If I click on screen number 3, it will show me complete data in screen number 2 as a preview. Or if after clicking, it will give you full detail about your data showing iris, 150 observations and 5 variables. If I click it again, it will show me complete detail in screen number 1. So in screen number 1 is a temporary, you can delete, but in screen number 3, it is a permanent until you delete it. So you don't need to delete your data from screen number 3. You can remove from screen number 2 as well as from screen number 1. But if you want to perform analysis, you need data in screen number 3 only. Okay, now next step, I am going to write str iris and will run. It will show me output in screen number 3, sorry, in screen number 2 in the form of tables or paragraph. When I run another script, plot iris, it will give me output in screen number 4 in the form of plot. Now you can check plot appeared in screen number 4. Screen number 1 is for script writing. I have write all script in screen number 1. It gives me some output in screen number 2, some output appeared in screen number 3, some output appeared in screen number 4. So screen number 1 is the input, screen number 2, 3 and 4 are the output screen. Please confirm it's clear. Please confirm it's clear. If clear, type clear. Okay, thank you. No, please all participants perform these or run these 3 code on your screen and type done. Type, click, and here is the run button. Press run button. This code will work. Again, press next button. Next button, it will work. Now you have 5 minutes. Please perform this task and type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step, just for practice or your understanding. I have done this step, so I'm going to type done. You also please perform and type done within Zoom chat. Please all participants confirm. If you have any issue or found any error, you can let me know. For Manali, this data is already available in R, so you don't need to worry. It's a default data set available within R. Okay. Now I want to move to next step. Now our next task is about packages. So first is, what is package? How to install and activate packages. Next question is, what is package? How to activate, how to install, and how to uh, on these packages or do library these packages. So packages are like a machine. I want to clear with a simple example. For example, you are working in your biological lab. When you enter in biological lab, you can see many devices are found here. Many machinery is found. Many tools are available in your lab. Each tool have specific function. For example, here is pH meter. You can measure pH meter with this device. Next is microscope. You can check microorganism. Thermometer, you can check temperature. So each device have specific role. If you want to check pH, you need to turn on your pH meter. If you want to find iron concentration, you need atomic absorption spectrophotometer. If you want to work on DNA or RNA, you need a specific tool related to DNA or RNA. So as in our lab, we need tools, devices, or instruments. Similarly, in R, we also need tool, devices, and instrument. And these tools, devices, or instruments in the language of R is known as package. For example, your microscope is a instrument or tool in your lab language, in your laboratory language. But in your R programming language, microscope is a package. Your PCR is a package. Your pH meter is a package. So all machineries are the package. For example, mobile phone is a device in our common language, but in the language of R, mobile phone is a package. Your laptop is a device, machine, but in the language of R, it is a package. So package mean machine, devices, package mean machine, devices, or you can say instrument, which you can use for a specific purpose. As in our biological lab, many machineries, tools, or instruments are found. Similarly, in R, many packages are available. If you come to screen number 4, please all participants come to screen number 4. Click on package button. Here is the package button. Click on package button. It will show you a list of all available tools within R. When I click here, it will show me all available list of packages. So here are our machinery, our tools, our instruments are in the language of R. We can say these are the packages. So it is a complete list of packages available in our R by default. Here is the package name and here is its role. For example, is the machine name a bind. Its function is combine multi-dimensional array. Add for analysis of ecological data, exploratory and Euclidean method in environmental science. Adjunct exploratory analysis of genetic and genomic data. FA method of FA matrix oligonucleotide array. So all these tools we can use for our data analysis purpose or data analysis task. As in our lab, tools are specific for specific analysis. Similarly, in R. Tools are specific for specific analysis. Now next step is, no, hopefully it's clear what is package. Please confirm. Clear now? What's about package? If you have any question related to package, you can ask. If clear, type clear. Okay. Now next step is how to install these packages or why we need these packages. For example, today your task is, I have divided this course into two parts. In first part, we will learn R programming, and in second part, we will learn RNA-seq, GWAS, and DNA-seq analysis. So in first few days, we will work on R basic things so that you will be able to perform all advanced type of analysis in R. So for example, you are working in your lab. I want to clear with a simple example. For example, here is Farman Ali and FAF Farman Ali. For example, he is doing postdoc and here is his supervisor. His supervisor say, please find iron concentration in this sample. Farman Ali supervisor say, please find iron concentration in this sample. No. Here is the first task of Farman Ali. When any task is given, a question should be arise in your mind. For example, which package will be used? Which package, which tool will be used to find iron concentration? You need to find tool or instrument in your lab. If your supervisor say, please find pH, the first question should be arise in your mind, which tool will be used? Its answer is pH meter. Similarly, when your supervisor say find iron concentration, again a question should be arise in your mind, which package will be used to find iron concentration? Its answer is atomic absorption spectrophotometer, AAS. We can use atomic absorption spectrophotometer to find the iron concentration. Second question which should be arise in your mind after getting the answer of first question. Second question, is it available? In our lab? In our lab? Here your answer may be yes or no. Here your answer may be yes or your answer may be no. If your answer is yes, then you will turn on this machine and will work. But if your answer is no, then you will be unable to work on this machine. So if your answer is no, then you need to arrange this machine and then you need to turn on and then you will be able to do work. So you need to assume you are working in your biological lab. Your task is find iron concentration. The first question which should be arise in your mind, which tool will be used to find iron concentration? Your supervisor replied, you can use atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Second question, is it available in our lab? We need to confirm. If your answer is yes, then you will be able to perform work. If your answer is no, then you are unable to perform work. Then first you need to arrange, then turn on, and then you will work. Okay, now I am giving an example related to RStudio. For example, today your supervisor gives you another task. Please import an Excel file into R, because R also have tools, machines for specific work. So similarly, a first question should be arise in your mind. Which tool will be used to import Excel file? If your supervisor say, please import PDF file, again a question should be arise in your mind. Which tool will be used to import PDF file? If you want to import SPSS file, again a question should be arise in your mind. Which tool will be used to import SPSS file? So when your supervisor gives you a task, you ask a question, which tool will be used to import Excel file? Your supervisor replied, you can use Read XL machine. Read XL is a tool of R, is a machine of R, is an instrument of R, which can be used to import Excel files into R. Now, second question which should be arise in your mind, you need to check its availability. Is it available in your lab or not? Is it available in our studio? Here your answer may be yes, or your answer may be no. So we have packages, or we have packages room in screen number 4, or we have packages register in screen number 4. So please all participant come to screen number 4, click on packages, and here is the search button. Click on this button and type here read XL. In my site, read XL is found. I have read XL, so I am going to type here yes. So please all participant confirm me. You have read Excel? Your answer may be yes or no. If your answer is yes, then you will turn on this package, turn on this machine. If your answer is no, then you will arrange this tool. Okay. Some participant answer is yes and some participant answer is no. So if your answer is no, it means you don't have this tool. So first you need to arrange this tool. So for arrangement, we will use a word installation. So next step is how to install these tools. Under the heading of package, there are two buttons, install and update. Click on install button. When you click on install button, it will show you an application form. Click here on central line and type here read Excel and select read Excel from here and click install. It will start installation process in screen number 2. It will show you a red dot with brush button at this point with below minimize and maximize, and will give few lines, but after few lines it will give you a line package read Excel successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. Please all participant confirm. Have you done this process? If you have done, please type done or installed. Okay, now we have this tool or we have this machine in our lab or in our R studio. Now next step, we need to perform is turn on. When you have machine, next step you need to turn on your machine. For example, if you want to do work on your laptop, first you need to turn on your laptop. If you want to work on your PCR, first you need to turn on your PCR. So packages are also like a machine. So when you want to work on any package or any machine, first you need to turn on. Now, how we turn on or how we activate this machine? So for this, we need to write a line, library, select library. So library is a R language word. R is a language and each and every language have vocabulary. So the word R library mean the word library mean turn on. Library mean turn on or activate. When we run any line here or any package name here, for example, I want to turn on uh, read Excel. So I will type here read Excel and click anywhere in this line and press run button. When I press run button, it will show me same line in screen number 2 and screen number 3. Sorry, in screen number 4. Tick mark will appear with read Excel. It's mean no, your package is on, your machine is turned on. I have done this step, so I am going to type done. Please all participant activate your package and type done. So for activation, you need to run library function. I need response from all participant. Please run library and type done within Zoom chat. Participant, please respond. Sandila, you need to check in screen number 4. Click on packages button and search in read Excel in search box. Then it will appear. Okay. Now I am going to send a Excel file for practice. So please, all participants, download this file and save in your working directory folder and save into working directory folder. Please check your group. I have shared a file. download this file and save in your working directory folder. Working directory batch, genomic batch 8, open and save. Now I have done this step, so I am going to type done. Okay, now next step is all participants please come to screen number 3. Come to screen number 3 and click on import button. Below history there is a import dataset. Click on this button. It will give you a list showing up to 6 names from text, from Excel. So our file is Excel, so I want to click on Excel file. When I click, it will give me a new page like this. I will click on browse button and click on ficus. Then click on import button at bottom side of this new window. When I click import, it will show me my file in screen number 1 as well as in screen number 3. Now I have import this file successfully. Now please all participants confirm. Have you done this process? Your file is now in screen number 1 as well as in screen number 3. Okay, thank you. And so in our today class, we have learned some basic skills about our what is package, how to install package, how to activate packages, and how to import Excel file into R. Okay, and in our next class, we will learn how to read and write R script, and we will draw some basic plots for practice. Okay, thank you. And if you have any question, you can ask. If clear, type clear within Zoom chat. Okay. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.